5. Bucket instead of repair. For hiding A. Hose bib leak.
Always be cautious when you have one of these valve splitters on, because there's usually a reason. Sometimes you want to, but other times because there's a leak on the valve. So this one's just a minor one. I tightened the packing nut here. That got it to slow down a little bit, but it was dripping a lot more before.
3. Handyman plumbing gone. Bad.
Everything looks good so far. So, if your pipe doesn't match up, you put heat on it, you can bend the pipe so that it will fit on there. And you really don't need a connector. I'm joking in case you're asking. And then missing the connector there, but it goes downhill. Uh-oh, we got leakage. Something's leaking.
2. Why are the weeds so green?
Looking for the water meter. This is a water meter here. It is absolutely soaked. Let's take a look. Has to be a leak. There's a leak on the main valve. Luckily it's before the meter.
1. Fire the plumber.
Not even connected. That's not even connected. Sorry, I won't curse.